Hello my lovely people, how are y'all doing today? It is a nice day. I'm finally outside, 10 o'clock. Finally woke up. But today, not much going on, honestly, not much. My goal today is fixing this plastic onto the shed. I brought the jack home so we can get that done. And getting that fixed. In order to do that, first I need to chop these down so I can get the jack. There's jacks under there that I need to lift it up with, and this is gonna go towards creating the other two boxes I need for over there. Yeah, a little progress. I'm tired, I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, it's 10 o'clock. And who the hell texts me? Hey, good morning, how are you? I don't know who you are. Try somebody else. But kind of a slow day, honestly. Main focus is that plastic under the shed so I can get everything from over there situated. And this, I had one other goal in mind. I don't know if I'm gonna get to it, but I'll see. One more left. This blade seems to be holding up. It's not blowing as yet. Hopefully it lasts for the rest of this. And I have 2 more pallets of work that I need to chop up. Well, it's going to be 3 because we got to deliver it today. So 3 pallets. What I'm going to do is just chop pallets up, stack them, and as projects come up, I'm just going to keep using pallets. It's resourceful and overall cheap. All right. I see a lot of people with their grow beds. Ooh, somebody's having fun. Their grow beds, in their gardens and stuff. And eventually, I think I'll get there. But for right now, starting out. Oh, sorry, somebody. Starting out from where I'm starting out. Pallets are my most viable option right now, financially. And as time goes by, time goes by, you get older, less bending down, higher beds. I'll get into that. But almost done with that. So people keep calling and texting me. She's having a day off. Get done with this. Jump on get that organized. I'm not gonna move anything today. Just hey man, hold on. You want me to go get mine? Come join you? Come on now. Having all the fun. But get that tarp organized. And move on to what else? So cut pallets up, put them back in the truck. Get the tarp organized. That's set. And I think that's my biggest thing for today. I promised the girls to their room. I need screws. I really don't want to go Lowe's. It's 20 minutes away. I really don't want to go. Honestly. I can do that at night when I come home tomorrow night. Throw it together. I'll cut all the pieces today and just screw it together tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Oh, I spoke too soon. Look at that. That blowing. It's a burnt blade. See if y'all can see better in the sun. Yep. blade is burnt up, so and I needed most of the small pieces out of that, because only the top and bottom are big ones. On the wheelbarrow I have a whole stack of big ones, but barely any small ones. It's alright though. On the way to work in the morning, I run to Lowe's. Or tonight, actually, after Bible study, I'll go run to the Lowe's and pick up the screws, get another pack of metal blades. I have enough wood. And when I get to work tomorrow, finish that off. The other two, or the three I have at work, chop those down too. Then get to doing the boxes. I should finish all the boxes tomorrow. Measurements and everything I had, everything's good. One of these days off, I'm really gonna just sit inside and do nothing. I promise you, I will. I need it, I really do. Question for you guys who've been doing this 2-3 years plus. Do you add eggshells and kitchen scraps to your compost bin? Just curious, because that's one of the main reasons I did make the compost bin. Not so much for yard waste, but stuff coming out of the house that we put in the trash can that Yogi Bear likes to grab and go at night. Like it's a to-go line in the chow hall in the defect. That you guys add eggshells, peanuts, shells, you know, stuff like that to your compost. Now, onto adjusting this plastic and getting this right. Let's see what we can do. All right, well, it seems to be moving now. Just get the chain that I connected onto there. Good. That was fun. Wouldn't you say? Not. But, yeah, mission accomplished. It is somewhat flat, just like I wanted over here. And then I have all the slack pulled out to where it's back like a rectangle like I wanted. Now all that stuff over there, oh, let's walk over there. And yes, I do a lot of projects in the backyard, try my hand at the garden and thing, but you see tow trailer, dead mans we call them, to hold transmissions and stuff upon cars, engine hoist, engine box, 3 engine stands. Oh, I need to pack one of those, take them into work tomorrow. Cabinets. I'm a big car guy, and while I was in the military, I never considered actual planting a garden. You know, it's always been in the back of my mind. But when I retired and bought this home, told the realtor I must have an acre, nothing less. And wife wasn't on board, but she knew that I wanted my shopping bag for my cars, and 2 of them. I wanted more, but reality kicked in, and economy. But yeah, so now it's on to sustainable living as my top priority, eating healthy, growing as much as I can. And it's not so much as to keeping finances down, it's more the healthy aspect. I grew up in the Caribbean, and my mom had I'm gonna say about a 2.5 acre, 2 acre vegetable farm. It wasn't a garden. You can't call it a garden. To water that whole place, we would start at 10 in the morning and not be done till 5 in the afternoon. And I'm talking about with sprinklers. Yeah, that wasn't a garden, that was a farm. Okay, we sold minimum 200 bundles of callaloo every Saturday, minimum. You will harvesting this after 4 p.m. on a Friday afternoon. So yeah, then you're picking okra, eggplant, pumpkin, squash, whatever she put her hand to. Yeah, we were selling that every Saturday morning at the market. So I'm used to hard work, people, but hey, slowly, surely we get there. Hey, what was it? Salty Homestead. What we say? Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. That's how it goes. Correct me if I'm wrong. Probably am. But yeah. So my 2 main objectives for the day are accomplished. It's noon. What time is it? 12:15. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna call it a day. So catch you guys in the next video. Love you. Appreciate you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. There's a lot to come here. You know, record anything with the fence, because it's a fence. You know, we're not professionals. It's just a fence. That took us about 3 weeks. He works graveyard shift. I work 10 hours a day. Dark when I get home, so. But hey, that side is done. Now to do the backside. But hey, appreciate y'all. Love y'all so much for coming by. And please share the videos. And see you in the next one.